The dogma lives loudly within you. The Senate Judiciary Committee approves the Catholic judicial nominee who faced that critique. Capitol Hill correspondent Jason Calvi updates us on the story he first broke. Good evening, Jason.
Good evening, Lauren. Amy Barrett's nomination moves forward out of committee today, though Senator Dianne Feinstein voted against her. That's the same senator who drew widespread criticism when she said she was worried about Barrett's Catholic dogma.
She has no experience as a judge. She has only worked on one trial.
Senator Dianne Feinstein defends her position against judicial nominee Amy Barrett.
There is very little record to look at except her writings. And of course, I think that has been exaggerated out of any reality.
Barrett is the Notre Dame law professor Feinstein questioned last month, challenging her ability to make decisions based on the law, not her faith.
The dogma lives loudly within you, and that's of concern.
At the same confirmation hearing, Senator Dick Durbin also questioned Barrett.
Do you consider yourself an Orthodox Catholic?
Durbin cited Barrett's law review article, wondering if Catholic judges should recuse themselves in death penalty sentences. I asked Durbin about that today.
Her law article mentions recusing, right? So if the judge has a conflict, they should recuse. So isn't that something that you should support?
Well, I'm not opposed to it, but I mean, the obvious question is, well, if it applies to capital cases, tell us about other cases that involve questions of faith and morals under the teachings of the Catholic Church. She raised this issue.
Republican Chairman Chuck Grassley says today those questions lead down a dangerous path.
Their question strongly implied that she was too Catholic for their taste, whatever it means to be too Catholic.
Senator Ted Cruz says the questions are part of a pattern of hostility to faith.
Sadly, I think there will be many who will perceive what Senate Democrats are saying as no Catholics need apply, no Bible-believing Christians need apply. That's wrong. That is not how this country is meant to act.
Today, every Democrat in committee votes against Barrett, but Republicans alone get her through the Judiciary Committee.
Mr. Chairman, the votes are 11 yeas, 9 nays.
And Barrett's nomination now heads to the full Senate, where you can expect even more debate and more votes on this nomination. Lauren?
For many Catholics, the dogma lives loudly within you has become a rallying cry. How is it perceived on Capitol Hill?
A rallying cry in bumper stickers, T-shirts, coffee mugs I've even seen. I know Nebraska Senator Ben Sasse is worrying about the origins. He's urging the Senate to hold a hearing to discuss what types of questions are appropriate to ask a judicial nominee, specifically a Catholic nominee.
Correspondent Jason Calvi, thank you for that excellent report.